Hey, welcome back. This is Jess, and today we're going to look at how to use your main dashboard in more detail. As you know, this is the first view you see when you log in. Over here on the right is your Wowzers contact. If you ever have an issue with your account or need to purchase more licenses, feel free to contact us via email or phone. If you have an issue with the curriculum or have a question while using the program, feel free to click the chat button at the top to be connected with our support team. For other questions that you might be able to answer on your own, click the Help button. This provides you with a list of our guides and tutorials. Use a search function to find exactly what you're looking for. You can also find some videos back on the bottom of your dashboard that will walk you through some common functions of Wowzers. Next up, you'll also want to notice the number of student licenses you have remaining and your expiration date. Be sure to keep an eye on your expiration date so you don't lose access to Wowzers. Now let's talk more about where to go from this page. On the left here, you'll see your Classrooms tab and your Groups tab. Classrooms are made up of exactly that, your classrooms and all the students within those classrooms. Groups are usually smaller subsets of students that you assign extra curriculum to, either because they all need a little extra help with a particular concept or because they're accelerating quickly through the content and could use a little extra work. Click either of these tabs and scroll down to see the entire list. To see the students in each classroom or group, just click it. For now though, let's stay on this page. Up here you can see several links. The Staff/Classes link takes you to a list of all the staff associated with your classroom, school, or district, along with the number of admins, classrooms, teachers, and students in each school set up in Wowzers. The Curriculum link takes you to a summary of all the content in Wowzers. There you can see exactly what content is available, what standards are associated with each activity, and preview any of the activities. The Edit My Profile link allows you to change your name, email address, or other personal information associated with Wowzers. The Credits link takes you to a summary of your classrooms and how many students are licensed in each one. The Archived Classrooms link takes you to a list of all the classrooms you've archived in the past. There, you can view the students and data associated with each archived classroom. Typically, this is a list of classrooms and students from previous years that no longer appear on your dashboard, but you might want to save the data for. Now, let's check out some of the quick reports you can see from your dashboard. Down here, you'll see a section called Usage Report. This allows you to choose a time frame to get a quick view of how much your students have been using Wowzers either today, this week, or this month. Note that there's even buttons if you want to print or download these results. There's also a button at the bottom to get the full report if you want to choose a different date range. To the right here is the Alerts panel. This is where any alerts appear about student performance or if a student reaches the end of a curriculum path. You can just click the alert to be taken directly to that student. Since the student finished their group path, we might want to assign them to a different path now. This way, there's no need to keep track of exactly how far along the curriculum path each student is. The Alerts section will let you know as soon as someone finishes what they're working on. Under this is a list of any extended response questions you haven't graded yet. These are short answer questions the students answer in their assessments that require human grading. Just click the Review Responses button to read their answers. Here, you can see a rubric on how to score their answers, and you can click the row to view the question and your student's response. Click the stars to grade their answer and assign them a matching number of coins, and then just click Mark Reviewed to save your grade. You can use this to hold students accountable for using math language appropriately and practice writing and math skills that often get overlooked. They're great to review when you're working one-on-one with students to see how they explain their answers and think critically. To navigate back to your main dashboard, just click your name at the top and then Home. Alternatively, you can just click the W in the top left to get to the same place at any time. And that concludes today's video on the main dashboard. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.